Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant home decor DIYs using faux leather that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I started off by gluing together two pieces of the leather with a strong adhesive. I let the glue set for about 20 minutes and then I cut away the excess fabric. Next, I added some of this metallic gold ribbon that I already had at home. I then made a second piece using two more pieces of the faux white leather. "20 minutes later, I glued my pieces together inside out. I left one side open and I allowed this to dry overnight. The following day, I carefully flipped my design right side out. I then placed an old 18-inch pillow inside before sealing the remaining side with hot glue. My pillow cover was a bit too big, so I ended up trimming away some of this fabric and resealing this in, but when I was done, I had something that looked like this. For project number 2, I'm using two more pieces of the black faux leather, two pieces of wood, and two faux wood frames, all from Dollar Tree. I used a strong adhesive and hot glue to adhere all four of the wood and faux wood pieces together. The wood pieces are slightly longer than the faux wood frames at around 12 inches, but I'll show you how I care for this a little later on in the project. Next, I used the particle board from one of the frames to cover the top and bottom of my design. I need to add some weight to prevent my design from toppling over, so I'm adding some of these Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces. I'm covering the front and back of my design with Dollar Tree plastic chopping mats. You could also use any kind of board, including foam board. I'm just using what I already have on hand. Next, I covered my design with 2 pieces of the black faux leather. You can add the leather several different ways, but this method worked best for me. The most important things are that the corners are smooth and that you pull the leather together as tightly as possible. My original plan was to add some ribbon along the seams, but I decided to cover the sides completely with leftover pieces of the faux leather. I'd rather have the seams visible along the corners, and I really wanted to keep this design all black. Here's a tip. Once you cut the leather, if the white fibers on the back are very noticeable, you can burn the ends for a very clean finish. While the glue dried, I began working on my lampshade. Instead of making a lampshade, I thought it was easier and less expensive to simply buy one. You can get one from a thrift store, a small one from Five Below. This one came from Target. I think I paid about $10 for it, and I really love the square design. I've already used this lampshade before, so it already has a Dollar Tree napkin ring in the center. Here I'm adding 2 additional rings to get the height that I need. I'm also adding some rhinestones to give my modern design a touch of glam. To attach the shade, you'll want to make a hole at the top in the leather so that you can attach the napkin rings directly to the particle board. I also added more of the hot glue inside of the napkin rings to help hold the shade in place. I placed 2 remote-controlled LED lights from Five Below at the top of my lampshade, and here's the finished look. I'm really happy with how both projects turned out. They were simple, fun to make, and they fit in with the rest of my modern glam decor. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!